Fuck poppin', man. You feel what's going on, man? We outside big ass pit crew party, you dig?
And she told me that she love chinks, damn. With the pussy like a sweatshop, like I'm working at Shein, Had me trippin' for a sec, like, hey, shorty bugging, damn. Fucking do it for the plot, cause if she got the bubbly, I'ma eat her with the chops, like, She suck the tip like she smoking on the side. She's so bad, like, oh my god. I'm going in the road. Like, bad joint.
I don't got.
What's out there? Is it like really lit? Like, oh no, God, now I be trying to come out on some chill face. Hey, this shit like it's lit. You slide? Hell yeah, I'm sliding. You already know what I came for. I don't come to fuck around. Every time I come to the A or any state, I'm burning rubber, bro. Oh! Every time. Niggas know I came handsome and shit. Real life skin energy. Oh God. I think I need to move my car. You think your car was one of them? Were they towing shit? Oh, look at the wheels, nigga. Oh God. Wait, what's wrong? What's wrong here? What's wrong here? I don't know where African at. Huh? Yeah, they got hot quick. Oh no, I already went earlier though. If I get a track though, y'all can see me in a track though. On some cool shit though. Like low key. Pick it up. No, that's mine. That shit ain't real. It's not real. That shit ain't real. That shit ain't real. I'ma make that be real. It's not real, bro. Why? Yeah, that shit blue as hell. See, that shit purple, bro. Nigga, that shit ain't real. They do say. I be doing shit. What up, my boys? What's up, man? Boys good? I ain't see y'all boys in a long ass time. Yo, ass always gone on some shit. Where you been? Damn.
Behind the barrier.
That nigga don't go nowhere. That nigga take showers with that hoe.
Behind the barrier.
Yeah, you like that, but get what?
Baby!
I don't give a fuck how you say. You good, bro? I will. You know what I'm saying?
What's up, baby, bro?
Yo, kids putting on for our city, bro. I don't want to care about shit, bro. Yo!
Hey! He want to go. Let him go dolo. He's like 7 years old. All right, you hey, he's 13. I'm already knowing. They ain't even got a permit, bro. What the fuck? They don't need none of that.
You got my dick in your mouth right now. He's far better than you. He's far better than you.
He's packing you up, Nico. Nico, oh, yeah. Get on the track, Nico, ass up.
He's whipping that one up. Bro,
Get out the way. You got the African boy. Hey, back up. There go, Trey.
God, my fathers.
Y'all gotta step behind, man. How y'all feel about it? Because we get shut down, I'm telling you, niggas get you for their money back.
Is that a hickey on your neck?
Hey,
Wait, is that, wait, no. Is that a hickey on your neck? Where you going? You got a hickey.
Get back!
Hey, that boy got a big fat ass hickey on his neck. How old are we? I know. Hey, yeah, suck that shit right there. Suck it. Yeah.
I'm not Nick.
Y'all about to say they not hit, bro.
Fast Life Driver gang.
Fast Life Driver.
Fast Life Driver.
Fast Life Driver.
Fast Life Driver.
5K in the Hemi for it.
Huh?
I got 5K in the Hemi for it.
5K in the Hemi.
I don't want that shit.
Hey, that's a good deal. That's a good deal. 5K in the Hemi. That's a
Hey, stop pumping my damn car.
No.
Look. Boy, tell Nick.
Okay.
Move up. Watch out. Watch out.
Yo, if you're on the inside of the gate, you're on the left side. If you're on the left side, on the side towards the highway, you got to move. Y'all gotta get off the gate. Y'all gotta get off the gate.
That's where you sliding?
You already know I'm sliding. They can't call me for no reason.
They don't know what to do. They don't know what to do, bro.
Get back. I need y'all to get back.
Oh my goddamn. Hey, they trying to make everybody move back, bro.
I appreciate y'all.
I'm just trying to get a shot.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, nigga. Fuck you. Take his car. Catch me in my truck.
John, get back. Everybody back. Go ahead. Go, step back. Step back.
They gonna shut this shit down.
They be playing music. They're making stuff. This shit fire. I'm about to say, that boy a demon whipper. I don't know. It's not Isaiah and Joey. They really do be playing my music. Okay, cool. Yeah, I play your shit too. Nigga, I know you be commenting on my shit. Nigga, we got into an accident playing your shit, gang. Yo, that's crazy. Gang, your shit was playing, gang. Nah, but it definitely is out of Isaiah and Joey.
Man. Who this is? The nigga that? Who this is?
I fell in love with no name.
What they say? They say fuck G. Fuck G, yeah.
Black ass shit. Right now.
No, this man no entry.